how to post on Instagram. Now, posting is a culture on Instagram. It is where you get likes, comments, and interaction. Now, in order for you to post a photo or a video on Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on this plus button right here and go to post. Now you just have to go to your photos, let's say photos right here, or you can add a video to your post. Now let's say I want to post this specific photo. I can also post multiple photos if I want to. Let's say this one right here. Now all I have to do to post this photo is to hit on next and edit this if I want to. I can add fonts to it and I can add music right here. Let's say this one. Now all I have to do is to tap on check right here and hit on next. I can write a caption or pretty much do whatever I want when I post something on Instagram. Now the last thing to do is to share this on my Instagram feed right here. So that's how to post on Instagram. Hope we help.